Hello, this is oral presentation English Level 2. This is my name is Oscar Daniel Marin Moran. I am 30 years old. I was born in Ibagué, Tolima. I am working in a software development company, and I am studying system engineer. I am married 6 years ago. I live with my wife and my puppy Bonnie. I like watch and play football. I like play video game. And I like travel with my family. My trip experience in Santa Marta. This is my experience of trip. Vacation in Santa Marta. At the end of last year, I went on vacation with my family to Santa Marta, Colombia. We stayed there for a week. I liked it because it was cheap and just paid it with food, drink, and lodging. I liked it because there were a lot of places to visit. For example, I went to the Tayrona Park, Shield Bay, and Crystal Beach. I liked it a lot. I also went with my dad to Barranquilla. We watched the football match Colombia and Brazil. It was exciting. The result? Colombia won, Brazil won. We come back in September ago because I started working and vacation finished. Here I am with my wife in airport when we return. Tips or recommendation for Santa Marta. It is recommended that people use a hat or cap. It is important that people use sunblock, lotion on the beach. It is better that use sunglasses. It is recommended that you wear shorts. It is recommended to take a camera for photos. What you should do Santa Marta? Swim in the ocean, riding in a boat, eat fresh fish, dive in the sea. What you should not do? People should not swim far from the shore of the beach. People should not fish. Do not throw garbage on the beach. Finish. Thank you.